AI in admissions is useful as a mirror and dangerous as a mask. Use it to find vague claims. Test whether your paragraph has a clear point or generate practice interview questions. But if AI starts supplying the memory, the emotion, and the lesson, your application may become cleaner and less believable at the same time. Admissions writing needs human residue, awkward details, specific choices, imperfect growth, real consequences. A machine can polish language. It cannot live the moment that made your motivation credible. The safest use of AI is not to sound smarter. It is to make your own evidence harder to miss.